guys, in this video I'm going to try two experiments. One, I'm going to try to make a air pump for my bigger engine, see if I can make a air compressor. And the second one, I'm going to try to adjust a few things on my engine which I made, oscillating engine which I made last time, and see if I can get it to work on steam. And let's hope something is a success. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you. So this one is not working on steam. I think this is too heavy for it, to be honest with you. A couple of things, this and this, I might change this yet, but I'd like to put a lighter wheel on there and see if it works with that. And I've got this one out here because I want to do a pump today, like everybody else has done one. So I'm going to do it off camera. There's no need to show you because there's loads of videos out there that does pump. And I'm going to use this as the pump to try and get this one working. Now this here is a very small engine which I made previously, and I found that when I tried to use a motor directly onto here, it didn't work. So when I put this bottle there, I had to use two motors because it needs more power to go into there, and then this actually started to work. So I'm pleased with this. So I'm going to use the same kind of method to see if I pump from this one into there. Okay, now I'm going to just show you that this didn't work. This didn't work on here because it's very heavy and it needs more concentrated air. And I'll show you on here. This one doesn't work. This doesn't work either. I'll readjust the camera. So let's try this now. As you can see, even this is not working, and this is pretty easy, very smooth and easy to make it work on air. So if I make the pump and try this one, see if it works, this one might not work because I think this is too heavy, and I think I need to put a lighter one on there. Okay, I've rearranged it a bit so we can see what we're doing. That was easy enough, but I want to try and fill this up a little bit before I start to pump that. So let me just do this. Let's try this one. I'm not sure if this will work, to be honest with you. No, it's not working with this pump anyway. I'm going to try a different thing. No, that doesn't work either. Okay guys, I'm going to try the last thing now. I'm going to use this which I made earlier. I'll connect it to the bottle out there. Hopefully this will give me more pressure, and try and run this. Let's have a see what we can do with this. Nope, that doesn't work either. I'm just going to try this one more time. I don't think it's going to work, but at least I'll try it. I'll wait for the water to heat up.